everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today I wanted to answer a viewer question. So I've recently been talking a lot about the snap matte feature on your Cricut, and lots of you have said to me, so what is snap matte? How do I use it? All of those good questions. If you ever have a question in one of my videos or there's a feature you want to know about, you can always drop them in the comments. We're more than happy to add them to our video list and we'll try to answer them in future videos. So what is snap matte? Snap matte is all about using up your scraps or ensuring that your project's going to fit on the piece of material that you have. So here I have a piece of the holographic sparkle vinyl that I was using in a previous project. I'm going to pop it onto my Cricut mat. Now, for the sake of doing it with this piece here, we're going to ensure that we pop it in the middle of our mat because we just want to make sure that it's going to fit. So here I have my iPad, and you're going to see in a second that I have loaded in a Maddie. I did this for a previous project, but I'm going to show you that this is going to fit on my scrap. And so I'm going to press this snap matte button down here. So it's going to say position close to frame edge. There's a couple of things I need you to know first. You want this hanger tag up here to be facing away from you, because on your screen you will see that there is a hanger tag on your iPad or your tablet, whatever you're using. You're going to lift this up and your iPad, tablet, whatever it is, it's going to have a camera in it. So it's not going to work with a laptop. It's going to recognize that there is a tag up there. Now you'll notice I'm not the tallest, so it takes me a little while to just kind of make sure that it's in the right place. And I just kind of go around. You see there how it just snapped into place? Well, that's what it will do when it's in the right place. Then we go use, and now I can take my design, tap on it, and I drag it onto my scrap. Did you see how easy that was? Tap and drag, that's all you have to do. You hit the continue button. It's gonna just do some thinking. It's got to think about it. And now you just go as normal. So you're ready to go. So now you just go into set material, all materials. Can't spell today, but we're going to go for that holographic sparkle vinyl because that's what we're using. We pop it up here, and I'm going to prove to you how easy this is. So as always, it's telling me what to do. We're going to line everything up, hit insert our mat. And of course, you know what comes next, the flashing C button, ready to go. And now it's going to cut on my scrap. My project is going to fit perfectly in the right place on my mat. It's a really quick cut too. It's just going to cut out a Maddie. And you can do this on any size scrap. It can be on any of the mats. So it can be on the fabric mat. It can be on the light tack mat. It can be on any of those. So it doesn't have to be that. It can also be on the large mats, small mats. I believe you can also do it on that too. I haven't tried it on the large ones. I've only ever tried on the 12 by 12s, but this works really well. And I like the fact I can use up my scraps. And of course I can position things as I need them to. So if I've got a quirky piece of fabric and I just want to use up that scrap, that's what your snap mat is for. You have a quirky piece of vinyl and you just want to use it up, and I might want to just cut out my hedgehog here on my apron. I can do that. It's done already, so action complete. I'm gonna eject. And again, as always, you peel your mat away from your material. Pop this behind me. And I'm just going to grab something to weed with. Just use these tweezers. And I'm going to just grab the edge of this material because I want to show you that it really did get it exactly right. And this is a super easy design to weed too. It's just one piece to pull off. There you go. See? So it cut it absolutely perfectly on my scrap. Wasn't that amazing? So next time you have a scrap or you want to cut something absolutely perfectly, use that snap matte feature. Use it on your tablet, your phone, use the Cricut Access app. I think it's absolutely amazing. As always, links to everything I've used, including the Cricut Maker, is in the description below. Do check those out. Of course, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and hit the join button for all of those amazing Hedgehog Hollow perks. Thank you for joining me. Give us a thumbs up. I'll see you again tomorrow with another tip, trick, tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different. Happy crafting, everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.